Expert perspectives and future trends in manufacturing. Let's look at what industry experts agree about generative AI today. Most say it's ushering in a profound shift in manufacturing roles. Jason Lagnew, an R&D manager in the field, he observed, Gen AI can drive productivity gains for everyone from engineers to frontline operators, from assisting with technical writing to programming automation systems. This broad applicability means AI isn't just confined to design labs. It's enhancing decision-making on the factory floor, in maintenance departments, and in supply chain planning. Manufacturers that effectively harness AI are seeing more completed work, optimized processes, and greater capacity for teams, essentially doing more with the same resources. We can speak to this directly. Our customers at Narratize are saving 9 hours per person per week on technical documentation. That is remarkable. The biggest unknown that experts cite is the rate of change. If AI's evolution outpaces an organization's ability to adapt and onboard, there's risk for disruption for those who fall behind. AI-driven generative design is expected to become standard practice, much like CAD was in the past. Tomorrow's engineers will routinely co-create with AI to explore thousands of design options virtually in moments. This could significantly shorten product development timelines and reduce research and development costs. A McKinsey analysis estimates applying Gen AI across research and development, operations, and business functions in industries like manufacturing could unlock $80 to $140 billion in value in the coming years. We'll also see AI tackle more systems-level challenges. For example, optimizing entire supply chain networks, finding the best factory locations, inventory setups, logistics routes, to respond dynamically to demand changes or disruptions. In aerospace, AI might suggest designs for whole aircraft systems for optimal efficiencies. In automotive, it might generate the software code for vehicles as well as the hardware. AI thrives on data, designs, sensor readings, maintenance records. So companies that have unified, accessible data platforms will get the most out of it. As one automotive innovation lead put it to me, it's not about what AI can do, it's about what we should do with it. Meaning, the strategic application of AI is what yields true competitive advantage. Looking ahead, manufacturing leaders foresee a future where product development is 10 times faster. Customization is done on demand, and factories self-optimize through AI. This is the vision of Industry 4.0 becoming reality.